Welcome to Innovin Foods. Today I am making crispy and delicious egg devil. Soft boiled egg covered with spicy potato coating and fried until perfectly golden brown. This classic snack is perfect for tea time, Ramadan snacks or party appetizer. Let's start the recipe. Heat 1 tablespoon oil in a pan. Add 2 tablespoon onion and 1 green chilli. Saute lightly. Now add 2 boiled mashed potatoes. Egg devil is a very popular street style snack. Season with half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon cumin and half teaspoon coriander powder. Mix everything well. Add fresh coriander leaves and mix again. Now add 1 tablespoon lemon juice for fresh flavor. Keep aside and allow the mixture to cool completely. Cool the potato mixture before shaping. Take some potato mixture in your hand. Place a half of the boiled egg in the center and cover it evenly with the potato mixture. Potato coating helps keep the egg soft inside. Seal the egg properly with the potato layer. In another bowl, beat 1 egg well. Dip the prepared egg devil into the egg mixture. Now coat evenly with breadcrumbs. This crispy outer layer makes it extra delicious. Heat oil and fry in medium heated oil until beautifully golden brown and crispy. Fry on medium heat for even golden color. Eggs provide protein and energy. Potatoes make the snack filling and satisfying. Homemade snacks are fresher and more hygienic. Fresh herbs and spices add natural flavor. Your crispy homemade egg devil is ready. Serve hot with sauce or chutney and enjoy. Try this recipe and share your feedback in the comments. Follow Innovin Foods for more easy homemade recipes.